Hey, good morning everybody. This is Kent Teslo here at Optimum RV in beautiful sunny Ocala, Florida. Today we're going to talk about the Braxton Creek. And this particular floor plan is the 25 RLS. Let's have a look around the inside. Here's your booth area. Got a nice area to sit, relax. A whole bunch of storage, and along the whole sidewall here, we have the countertop and the refrigerator, stove, and microwave right here. We're using Dinette appliances. Lots and lots of storage available in this unit. More storage here. Nice big shower. Lots of storage. Get around all sides of the bed here. There's two entrances to the bedroom. One through the bathroom, and we're over on the side here. So once again, this is Kent Teslo at Optimum RV, and this is the 25 RL at Braxton Creek. Thank you.